And they're up. Ideal Views, Karab, Queen, Zing is by the rail, Avon's Treasure, My Treasure, and Living for Love is the early trailer as they make their first turn. Is Karab in command by about 2 lengths. Ideal View in second, then racing in third, Avon's Treasure. Queen down in fourth, then followed by Zing. Then comes entry number 5, My Treasure, and Living for Love still running in behind them. Working towards the 900 meters is Karab leading the field by about a length and a half. Ideal View in second, closing in third, Avon's Treasure, then Queen racing on the outside, fourth Zing, then followed by My Treasure and Living for Love. Heading towards the 600 is Karab, still leading the field, closing in second, Ideal View, making room by the rail, Avon's Treasure. Queen closing in fourth as they race towards the last 450. Ideal View takes the lead. Avon's Treasure now in second, and is Karab fading out. Moving up is Queen as they action kicks to the last 450. Ideal View, Avon's Treasure is by the rail with 200 to go. Ideal View, Avon's Treasure is by the rail. Queen is on the outside with final 100 meters. Ideal View by about 4 lengths. And finally, Ideal View, Queen, Avon's Treasure is Karab, Zing, My Treasure, and Living for Love.
Okay, crossing the wire first, only the second